If you would like to purchase this product, use the product link in the description below. It will help support our channel. Or you can support us on patreon.com. Up here by Christ the King School, up on corners of Madison Street, Route 7, aa1pr testing. The little allstar micronode's running 300 milliwatts into like a 6-inch rubber ducky indoors, probably 6 feet away from a window. Not bad. Okay, I'm on the corners of Route 4, Route 7, north end of town. aa1pr testing. A little bit weaker up here. Okay, we're on the north end of town, Tennybrook Market up here by Drunken Donuts. aa1pr testing. Weak but readable. So let's see what the new radio and different HT antenna will do. You know what? We're going to use this TYT MD380. It's got a bad volume pot. The volume pot jumps all over the place. I've tried to sell this and all accessories for parts. Nobody's wanting to buy it for the last several months. So we're going to dig this out of the box. Got a battery limiter packed around here somewhere. We'll get a Nagoya NA771 antenna on it. And we'll hook it up to a power supply. And that will be the new aa1pr All-Star over to Venture Overland radio link for local Rutland, Vermont access. The bridge 42282 is still up and running. But we're going to change out the node radio from Baofeng BF888 to this TYT. And I think at low power setting we should get, what is it, 800 milliwatts opposed to 300 milliwatts. So hopefully that'll help extend our range. If not the range, hopefully the loudness, audio quality of said signal. Okay, we're back to the Baofeng BF888, but I did change it out to a Luteon, if I pronounce that right, NA771 antenna. Look how strong this thing's coming in. It was non-existent up here at Home Depot before. It's an S4, S5, maybe a little bit more. I can't see the screen. I'm holding up the camera. Pretty damn impressive. Just simply changing out an antenna.